Today we're gonna make two types of grilled cheese.
6-cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Sometimes you just wanna have something that's very decadent, really tasty, and yeah, sure, it's not healthy, but who cares? Let's make it. For the bread, we're gonna use some French-style country bread. Now, when you start making a grilled cheese sandwich, you always gotta start with mayonnaise or butter that you place on the outside of the bread. Me personally, I prefer using butter, but unfortunately today, my butter is hard as a rock. Don't worry about it. All you gotta do is you gotta take a little bit of the butter, slap it on the pan, let it melt, and then you can gently place your grilled cheese sandwich onto the pan. Sure, it's better to spread it evenly on the bread with some soft butter, but it's okay. When you're on a pinch, you improvise. So let's start with some good old American cheese. All right, let's take it up, open up the packaging here. I'm gonna place it over like that. It's okay if it overlaps the bread. We don't really care because it's still gonna look cool. Here we got some beautiful and delicious smoked cheddar. I purchased this at Costco. It's absolutely incredible. So here, I like to use this little device, and I'm just gonna grate some smoked cheddar over the bread. Now we're gonna put some Parmigiano Regiano. We're gonna put this on the right side of the bread, because if I put this on the side where the American cheese is and I try to fold it all together, it might get messy. Once all the mountain of grated cheese here is ready, I'm just gonna flip over the American cheese and nice and easy over the sandwich. Now we got our pre-grated cheese. There's 3 types of cheese in here. We got some Monterey Jack, some mozzarella, and some mild cheddar cheese. And you know what's the beauty? It's already shredded. I just gotta sprinkle it on. Now it's time to grab our side that has the American cheese, and let's put that over like that. Oh my God, look at that beauty. Time to grill this grilled cheese sandwich. So since my butter's still frozen, I'm gonna just plop it onto the pan and we're gonna let it melt. Now that the butter is all melted, I'm gonna take my grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna just place it on the pan and I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. And remember, the trick here is low and slow. I'm gonna put a lid over the grilled cheese sandwich. Let's take this lid off the pan. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of butter on the side, let it melt. Let's flip this grilled cheese, swirl it all around. Oh, you hear that goodness? Oh yes, look at that nice brown crust on this bread. Let's take it out. Let's cut into this grilled cheese sandwich. Ooh, look at that ooey gooey goodness. Time to do a taste test. Wonderful. I absolutely love this grilled cheese sandwich. Try different cheeses. You got nothing to lose. If you like eating the cheese cold, I guarantee you, you're gonna love eating that cheese melted. Like an American style grilled cheese sandwich. What makes it American? We got some Wonder Bread, we got some American cheese, and we got some Hellmann's mayonnaise. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off with the bread and some American cheese that we're gonna just slap on one side. So now I'm gonna take my second slice and put it over the other slice of cheese, right on top like that. Now you're gonna flip over the other slice of bread over the cheese. We're gonna put mayonnaise just on one side of the bread. And now the reason why I'm putting it only on one side of the bread is I can keep my hands clean the whole time while I'm preparing the sandwich. I could pick it up by the bottom and my hands don't get greasy from the mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna take the sandwich and place it mayonnaise side down onto the hot pan. Remember, the trick is low and slow. And now while the bottom side is cooking, I'm gonna place mayonnaise on the top side of the bread. And now I'm gonna put a lid on it. All right, let's have a look-see. I think it's time to flip it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful golden brown color. Let's have a look. This looks just about ready. And there you have it, a very simple grilled cheese sandwich. Let's take a bite. Processed cheese to its finest. Now, if you enjoyed this grilled cheese sandwich, I think you'd love the following video where I made a 6-cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Click it and check it out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a like.